Today we're going to know about some key terms associated with heredity. First, we know what is characteristics. All features of an organism that transmitted through genes from one generation to next are called characteristics. For example, eye color, height, gender, skin color and blood group. These are all characteristics. Next, know about trait. The phenotypic expression of a particular characteristic is called trait. For example, if eye color is a characteristic of human, then a blue eye or brown eye is the trait. Next, unit of inheritance. Unit of inheritance is gene. Where is gene located? Gene is a part of DNA located on a particular point that is known as locus of a chromosome, function as a hereditary unit responsible for inheritance of characteristics from parent to offspring and also control biological functions. G. J. Mendel, father of genetics, called these genes as factors which control all characteristics of an organism. For example, gene for tallness, that is denoted as T, and gene for dwarfness denoted as small t in pea plant. Gene for black hair color, that is denoted as capital B, and white hair color small b in guinea pig. So what is genome? The total complement of gene in an organism or cell is known as its genome. Genome is the haploid set of chromosome. Means in human chromosome, in human cell, haploid cell consists of 23. So in a single cell, these 23 chromosomes present. Here total number of gene present in these 23 chromosomes, total number of genes in this haploid set means 23 chromosomes. This is known as genome. We know that unit of inheritance is gene. Now, this is already discussed in our previous chapter, where is the position of genes and how it is interrelated with chromosome and DNA. Just I recap once again about these three terms, chromosome, DNA and gene. We know that these chromosomes are found in the nucleus. It is very loosely coiled, this from a reticulum, and during the cell division it is coiled more and more in a condensed from a chromosome. When we unwind this chromosome, we found it is coiled around some proteins, these proteins known as histones protein. When we only see this trait-like part without this proteins part, if we separate the protein part, we found a trait-like material, that is the DNA. Now come to this DNA part. It is consist of two helical structures, that's why it is known as double helix. Two trait-like part are interconnected with each other by hydrogen bond, and each of the strand of DNA are consist of by some nucleotide sequences, that is purine and pyrimidine. So each strand consists of nucleotides, and some of the nucleotide sequence are responsible for expression of certain characters. So this is known as gene. Some of the nucleotide sequence which is responsible for expression of certain characters, this is known as gene. So these are the interrelationships among chromosome, DNA and gene.